Hello everybody, welcome to Vlogmas Day 11! It's day 11 already. So, the game plan today is I've got Christmas bulbs I need to put away. Get these boxes out of my living room. And remember that sink full of containers from my fridge clean out? I need to get that taken care of, unload my dishwasher. I've got laundry to do, I've got a light bulb to change. And I want to work on some kind of crafting project today. And I'm supposed to dash tonight to work. And tomorrow is going to be really good too. Because tomorrow I'm going to be dashing out of state. All day I'm going down to West Virginia. And where I am headed is probably an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours away. Because my son's going to be working from 8 o'clock in the morning until midnight. And I have the whole freaking day. So I am going to dash out of state. A couple hours away. It's a hot spot. $5 additional payout per order. So I see the money. I see the cha-ching. And I have the time. And I'm going to go do that. Just storm on a piece of cinnamon roll. Down, sit, speak. Guys, a couple things I want to show you. On Amazon, they sell these. Now I have it draining because I washed them, but these reusable bags. Instead of buying a bunch of Ziploc bags, which I still buy them because I only have one set of these, and I love them. I just had to learn, don't put them in the dishwasher because I melted this end, but I can still close it. But I tell you what, it saves me a lot, and they don't leak, which is another plus. So you may want to take a look at that. If I can remember, I will try to put a link to these bags in the description box. And I also wanted to show you, I've never talked about my coffee maker, okay? And with this coffee maker, it's similar to the Keurig. It takes the same K-cups as the Keurig. My Keurig died 3 or 4 months ago. I can't believe I've had this coffee maker that long. Because it was before I went to Outer Banks. I do remember that. That would have been in September. And I borrowed my sister-in-law's Keurig temporarily because she wasn't really using it. And I went to Walmart and I bought this baby. It's from Fiberware. And it has its own refillable K-Cup, just like K-Cup has theirs. This one has its own. Put your grounds in the basket. But what, two advantages I think of with this one. This one, instead of being $100, this one was $40. Less than half the price. In addition to that, it has a setting here. You could choose K-Cup, and you could choose your amount up here. And this one goes up to 14 ounces. Or you could choose grounds. So, what I like about this is it's a difference in the flow between how fast it flows for regular coffee grounds in the refillable K-Cup filter for that, or between that and a K-Cup, the flow is different. I've noticed that with a Keurig, with the refillable K-Cup, sometimes the coffee could be weaker. It has to do with the flow of the coffee. And this does it beautifully. I actually like this better than my Keurig. Oh my God, so much for my taming oil to tame the frizzies. I struggle with frizzies. Still looking frizzy. Yeah. It's actually pretty nice outside right now. It's in the 50s. The rain hasn't come yet, and I am thinking about one of these with Storm. Hey, Storm, want to go for a walk? Storm, want to go for a walk? Okay. Ah! I know you're all excited. Okay, we got to get this on. Okay. Come on. Get your head in there. I don't even know if we're in frame. Let's find the other side. Hold on, Storm. Storm! Okay. Come here, Storm. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Of course, he's not going to listen. He's too excited. Okay, we're going to go for a walk. Aha! Oh, he's ready to go. He just had to stop at every fire hydrant and pull. Okay, let's get the harness off. Let Stormy enjoy his walk, huh?
Santa Claus pulled up, come get the loot. You better been watching what you do. None of that list you got, they gon' come true. Like you been good,
the salad's done. George Foreman is on. I don't have the little catch thing for catching the dripping, so I just use this silicone pan. We're making some steak. The fan is on the microwave because our fire alarm does not like the George Foreman. George Foreman is ready. And we're going to stick this beautiful ribeye on here. I'm going to throw my seasonings on and it'll be ready in about 12 minutes. Oh, you got a big fucking kid. Totally, perfectly done. Dinner is served. Okay, so I've got dinner all cleaned up. Dishwasher running. And I think I'm going to end the vlog here. It is currently, let's see, it's almost 7 p.m. Decided at the last minute to change my plans for tomorrow. I was going to go dashing in, aka doing DoorDash in West Virginia tomorrow, but I did not get any of my crafts done because I've been so busy cleaning today. I got the house cleaned, not my room. My room still looks like a tornado hit it, but upstairs, the main living areas, I got cleaned. The only thing I have left to do up here is the office, but I have a son who's there who is gaming. He came home from work early, he got done with work early, so I didn't get to that particular room. So that's on my agenda tomorrow, but it'll be a real quick clean. I'm thinking like in the morning, maybe either doing some cards or doing mugs or something, maybe both, who knows. In the afternoon, I think I want to do some dashing. I'm scheduled to dash locally in the evening. I might change that because I kind of want to go see Christmas lights. So tomorrow, my day is kind of left up in the air. But we'll see what tomorrow brings, and I thank you for joining me, and I'll see you for Vlogmas Day 12.